Tomorrow I'm teaching one of my infamous scrape and tape courses, and the scraping part deals with soft tissue mobilization with tools, sometimes called GRASTIN, sometimes called ASTIM, acronym for augmented soft tissue mobilization for those at home. But essentially you're using some type of tool, and you just Google those terms, you're going to find a plethora of options. What we're trying to do with these tools is actually increase some soft tissue mobility, we're trying to increase some blood flow, we're trying to kick off the healing process of the body in an area that a client needs to be worked on. So for right now, let's just say we're working on the lateral quad, which is also part of our ITB, our iliotibial band, and we're using this nice rock blade tool. We're just kind of coming down, and the first couple strokes are meant to be kind of exploratory. They're meant to be part assessment. I'm looking for rumble strips. Where do we experience some soft tissue crepitus? Now I'm going to change directions. I'm going to come up the other direction, because sometimes you may find nothing one way and something the other way. Oh, here we go. Yeah, you can't see it, but he's smiling right now. This is what we kind of call a flavorful spot right now. There's a lot of that soft tissue crepitus, that rumbling. So I'm going to have my treatment now go in that direction. So what we're trying to do is just create some nice long strokes, and the amount of pressure we're using is that which is tolerable for our client. Not our tolerance, but their tolerance. I usually tell people on a 1 to 10 scale, 10 being like, I'm about to die, I don't want to get past a 5 on their scale. The other thing we're looking for too is some reddening of the skin. Partly it's going to be some increased perfusion from blood flow, but the other parts might be that we start to see some little, what we call petechia, which is some red dots at the surface that you would kind of think of as broken capillaries. And we may be breaking through some of those, and we may also be breaking through some fascial restrictions that are very close to the surface that actually give us that same appearance. But either way, we usually don't go for more than about 3 minutes, or we see a nice good, you can kind of see right now too, that nice reddening appearance, whichever comes first. These tools are just one tool in the toolbox. They don't fix everything, nothing does, but they're also misused and overused sometimes too. So keep in mind the body responds to small changes, it reacts to big ones. Give it a small change, find some tools, give it a whirl.